Fox Tuesday. What stands between Eric and his new girlfriend, Donna?
Is this Kissy Girl's phone number?
All new That 70s Show. And Adam Sandler is going back to college on an all-new Undeclared. Then, how do you top the first week of 24?
Some very bad things are happening tonight.
Fasten your seatbelt.
It's time to call Mommy.
Go to hell!
You're about to find out.
I got two shooters trying to hit me.
All new 24. It all starts at 8, 7 Central, Fox Tuesday.
Call it parental instinct. Call it experience. Call it simply time to intervene. Now with optional DVD, the midsize L series from Saturn, where you may never say, am I going to have to stop this car?
Get 0% APR financing on a 2002 LW300. For restrictions, see your retailer.
Hey, sweetie, what's wrong? Don't worry. I'm sure that the neighbors are nice.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the neighborhood. Do you want to go to the party?
I baked this pie for you. What?
Downloads faster, smoother, easier. DSL internet from SBC Ameritech. We're on it.
Call to see if DSL is available in your area.
Tonight, why the feds may want access to every email you send over the internet, and your best shot against anthrax may come from an ingredient in beer. Details tonight at 9.
New season, new enemies. It's the premiere of The X-Files.
Okay, Vegas, Austin, Tulsa, Vegas, honey, Yuma, and Austin. Straws, kids? Phoenix, huh?
Racing has evolved. Connecticut, rated T for teen.
On a recon mission, Lieutenant Chris Burnett saw something no one was supposed to see. On November 30th, Behind the Courage.
They killed my pilot. Can we get him?
Behind the Honor.
I'm not gonna let that kid die out there.
You will lose your command for this.
So be it.
Owen Wilson. Gene Hackman.
Gentlemen, I intend to put you in harm's way.
The Truth Lies.
We will bring you home.
Behind Enemy Lines. Rated PG-13. November 30th. Only in theaters.
Hey, Carrot Top here. Next time you make a collect call, just dial down the center with 1-800-CALLATT. It's free for you and cheap for them. Daddy's working. Come on, sit. Oh, doggy.
Save big bucks on every call. Just dial 1-800-CALL-ATT for collect calls.
It's new flame-grilled top sirloin, marinated Cajun shrimp, and a great price. Chili surf and sirloin. We're having some fun now. Yummy.
Looking to save a little time this holiday season?
Then go to BestBuy.com. You can find great gift ideas online. Then when you come to the store, you'll know just what to get. Best Buy. This holiday, turn on the fun.
Last season on The X-Files,
there was a rumored program out of the Cold War, planned to create a super soldier.
I didn't want to believe it. Said Agent Scully's a part of that program, too.
Her baby was a miracle.
My baby is normal.
She may never even make it out of this building.
This office is under investigation for a late-night meeting between you and an intelligence operative named Noel Rohr.
You investigate what I tell you.
You put me on the X-Files.
I think what we feared were the possibilities. The truth we both know.
it.
It's not okay. One of my steak medium.
He's got issues.
Hello. Let me check. All right. 2:30, perfect.
Nice pants. These things are amazing.
Introducing Dockers Mobile Pen.
When it seems like all is lost. When it feels as if you have no hope. When you are outnumbered, overpowered, and they've got you cornered. That's when you realize your last best hope is you. Halo. Combat Evolved. Rated M for mature.
Hey, Mom. Dad wants to know what's for dinner. Tell him nothing until he apologizes to me. Mom said no dinner until you apologize.
Forget it. She owed me the apology.
Dad says he's really sorry. He wants to take us to McDonald's to make up for it. He said that? Yeah. Mom says you were right. She thinks we should go to McDonald's.
Really?
I'm sorry.
No.
Can we please go to McDonald's now?
We love to see us.
Sir, I pulled you over for driving in the carpool lane without a second passenger.
Oh, nice detective work, Sherlock.
What did you say?
What? Nothing.
I'm just gonna let you off for the warning this time. All right.
I got your warning right here.
Woody! I got your ticket right here.
Dodge Stratus. With available 200 horsepower and race-inspired handling, you'll try anything to keep moving.
Nice boots. I didn't know they made those for men.
Great. Credit card bill.
Look at these fees.
Honey?
One rate for purchases, higher rate for cash advances, and those telemarketers.
Relax. We switched to Capital One's new no-hassle card.
Introducing Capital One's new no-hassle Platinum Card. No balance transfer fees, no telemarketing, one low fixed rate.
Honey?
What's in your wallet?
What's going on?
Is Radio Shack, the little gift store in your neighborhood with great gift ideas like the indoor-outdoor thermometer. It measures temperatures around the house and in the yard without unsightly wires. Radio Shack. Let us connect you to.
What's going on? Fox tomorrow. His favorite student defied his trust.
He bought his college essay off the internet.
Will it be too much for Senate to handle?
You know, this is why teachers quit. That's why we quit.
All new Boston Public. Then, for years, they've been the best of friends.
If you love Allie, go to her.
She likened me to a chia pet.
Now, will they become something more?
I'm interested in you. I'm serious. I love you.
All new Ally McBeal. It all starts at 8/7 Central tomorrow on Fox.
Where'd you learn to shoot? Boy Scout, sir.
He recruited him.
Central Intelligence. He'd be working for me, mostly undercover.
He trained him.
Never risk your life for anyone. Comes down to you or them, send flowers.
But on November 21st,
Tom Bishop's been arrested for espionage.
he will risk everything to save him.
We got zero room for error here. 7 minutes.
Robert Redford.
Look, I know what I'm doing. 6 minutes.
Brad Pitt.
Where are you? Coming home.
30 seconds.
Spy Game.
Get out now.
Rated R. At theaters Wednesday, November 21st.
Americans have places to go, things to do, so they go Midas. Alignment, we do that. Air conditioning, we do that. Brakes, we do that. So for total car care by certified technicians, who does it all? Midas, we do that.
Last winter, we had a little cell phone mix-up.
He told our travel agent Steamboat Springs, but with the static, well...
You know, we tried to make the best of it.
Come on, kids.
There we go.
Who wants hot cocoa? That's when we finally got free and clear with Sprint PCS. Real clear calls, and nationwide long distance included, which is great for us because we do have 2 kids.
Hey!
The Sprint PCS free and clear plan with nationwide long distance included. Every minute, every day.
Fox Tuesday. What stands between Eric and his new girlfriend, Donna?
Is this Kissy Girl's phone number?
All new That 70s Show. Then Adam Sandler is going back to college on an all-new Undeclared. It all starts at 8/7 Central, Fox Tuesday.
This little creature here's a ringtail lemur, and his mortal predator...
Into reality TV?
Giant
Widescreen LCD television, only from Panasonic.
Luckily, we haven't seen any snakes.
Panasonic. Just ahead of mine.
It's more turtle wax.
Thanks, Dave. Her wax with a... You want to see her? Yeah.
Chrysler Sebring Sedan. With its multi-valve engine and 5-star front crash test rating, you'll be proud to bring one home.
Hey, who wants cake?
Sure.
Now get 7-year or 100,000-mile powertrain protection and 0% APR on 2002 Chrysler Sebring Sedan.
Once upon a time, there was a country where people are free. Free to choose whatever they wanted. Except the local phone company. They had no choice at all. But one day, MCI came along to help bring competition across the land.
Now Chicago has an alternative in local phone service, introducing MCI Local Choice.
And the people cheered and lived happily ever after.
Call 1-877-MCI Local and get your first month of local calling free.
Could a mid-size sedan bring joy to your life? It can if it has a powerful V6, plenty of room for 5, and the freedom of America's best warranty plan. Introducing the new Hyundai Sonata. Life is better with one.
Into reality TV? Plasma Flat Screen HD TV. Made possible by Panasonic.
Ford Focus. What would you do with room for 5?
Honey, what's going on down there?
Wake up and smell the action.
Devil May Cry.
Rated M for mature.
Then I had that taste. The new grilled sourdough bacon cheeseburger at Burger King.
Now I'm a believer.
With grilled sourdough bread.
Not a trace of doubt in my mind.
A quarter pound of flame broiled beef.
I'm in love.
2 slices of melted Swiss cheese. 4 strips of bacon. The new grilled sourdough bacon cheeseburger will make you a believer. Now for a limited time at Burger King. Shrek, the biggest movie of the year. Now available wherever videos are sold.
What's going on?
Our great family gifts at Radio Shack, like the Compact Creative Learning Series PC with exclusive software. Save $400 after rebates, pay no interest until 2003 with Radio Shack's Answers Plus card. Let us connect you to.
What's going on? How do you top the first week of 24?
Some very bad things are happening.
Fasten your seatbelt.
It's time to call Mom.
Go to hell!
You're about to find out.
I got 2 shooters trying to hit me.
24.
Get out!
All new at 9/8 Central Fox Tuesday.
I'm Byron Harlan. Tonight on Fox News Chicago, President Bush revisits New York's Ground Zero exactly 2 months after the terrorist attacks. Homeowners are rushing to refinance. You'll see how much money you can save on your mortgage and the ingredient in beer that could be used to fight anthrax. Details tonight on Fox News at 9.
Zach, the lip ring is caught on my braces.
Don't move.
Call someone?
I'm not using my minutes.
Just use them.
I'll call after 8 when my rates go down.
That's 4 hours away.
3.5. Don't be so dramatic.
Maybe her next boyfriend will have voice streams whenever minutes.
3,000 whenever minutes. VoiceStream gives you the most whenever minutes, guaranteed.
This is the new alternative. 94.7 The Zone. 94.7 The Zone.
Space between
the new alternative. 94.7 The Zone.
It's just the same old thing. I need adventure, excitement. I'm suffocating.
Okay. You can drive.
Spice things up. The Hyundai Santa Fe. V6 power, full-time four-wheel drive, and the freedom of America's best warranty plan. The Santa Fe.
Don't even think about it.